good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Shauna and welcome to Shauna's World. Yay! So guys, I hope you can hear me. I know it is really loud. Right next to a swimming pool. Probably don't really see it, but yes, I'm right next to a swimming pool. About to head out. And once again, we're heading to Corralejo. Today is tennis training again for my little ones. And yeah, we'll probably hang out there, spend the afternoon there. And yeah, it's nice and sunny. The weather is gorgeous. Yes, I love this weather over here. It's so cool. Yes, I'm feeling myself. I got my new Zara dress on, and it is so cute. I was so mad because the other day, before I had left, I saw that they had this dress on sale, guys. And let me tell you, I spent €50 for this dress, and then they marked it down to 39. Sometimes I hate Zara for that. They always do that, you know. But anywho, guys. So, stick around and, yeah. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you like it. Don't have to, but give it a thumbs up and subscribe. All right, see you then. Hey, and don't go nowhere. Just waiting for the tennis teacher to arrive, but until then I can have a little chit chat with you. So, oh my goodness, yes, me and my movies, but however, I watched a really good movie earlier, and it was about the story, or it's a true story. It's about an ice figure skater, and her name is Tonya Harding. Um, yeah, and about how she grew up and yeah, her hardships. I never had any idea of what kind of lifestyle that woman had. That was really, yeah, it was painful to watch, to see that this woman was in desperate search of love, and how her mother treated her, and how she was in a really bad dysfunctional relationship. But this girl was so determined, and to be an ice, to be in Olympics, to be on the Olympic team. And yeah, it's a pity that she got mixed up with the wrong folks, because she was an amazing skater. I mean, her determination, her willpower. I mean, it's just a sad talent. But however, the movie was really good. It's called I, Tonya. So if you guys get a chance, you can check it out over Netflix. I don't know. I came across it by accident. I was actually looking for something else, and then saw the previews for that movie, and yeah, and I was like, okay, let me watch the movie while I'm getting ready. And yeah, it was a really good movie. I, Tonya. So of course, you know me. I'm going to put the link at the bottom. So yeah, yeah, good movie. However, okay, guys. So I'll check back in with you, but don't go nowhere. See you in a bit.